Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize iPhone iCloud Drive with iCloud settings, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize iCloud Drive on your iPhone, begin by unlocking your device. Locate and tap on the Settings app on your home screen. Scroll down and select your name at the top of the Settings menu. Next, tap on iCloud to access your iCloud settings. Look for the option labeled iCloud Drive in the list. Toggle the switch next to iCloud Drive to the on position. A prompt may appear, asking if you want to use iCloud Drive. Confirm your choice by tapping Enable or OK. Once enabled, you can access iCloud Drive from the Files app. Open the Files app on your iPhone. Tap on Browse at the bottom right corner of the screen. Select iCloud Drive from the locations presented. This will display all your files stored in iCloud Drive. To upload files, tap on the upload icon in the top right corner. Choose the location of the file you want to upload. Select the file and tap Open to upload it to iCloud Drive. Now your iCloud Drive is successfully authorized and accessible. You can manage and view your files anytime through the Files app. Remember, to access iCloud Drive across devices, use the same Apple ID. Ensure your device is connected to the internet for seamless syncing. You have completed the iCloud Drive authorization process on your iPhone. Feel free to explore settings for any additional customization options. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.